Pawpaw and Courgette Salad. Papaya and Zucchini Salad. A side dish from Fiji. You will need 8
Serves
ingredients. Step 1. Grate papaya and salt. Allow to marinate for 2 hours. Step 2. Add water and squeeze papaya until moisture is removed. Mix onion, garlic, lemon juice, coriander, oil, and seasoning together to make a vinaigrette. If you have a food processor, the
Step
whole
3.
onion, lemon
Mix
juice,
grated papaya
coriander,
with grated
garlic,
zucchini
oil,
and
and
vinaigrette.
seasoning may be processed together. Step 4. Chill and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.